everyone, this is Tim from YourSixTech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to turn on the Do Not Disturb mode on your Steam Deck so you don't get a bunch of notification stuff. So just on the home screen here, tap your profile icon, and then here's your online status. Now you could literally just go out and go to like invisible pure offline, but you can still chat or sign out a friends list. And then right under that, we have the option Do Not Disturb. Disables all chat notifications, so we could just simply turn this on. If we have someone chatting us and we don't want to hear that in the background or see it pop up when we're playing games, just hit the Steam button, go back to the home screen, tap your profile icon, and you should be good to go. So hopefully this video did indeed help you out. Leave it a big thumbs up, and subscribe to my channel down below if you want to check out videos coming up next on YourSixTech.